Roz, where are we going?
I'm very car sick. Here's the first guy I'm gonna throw up. Like, where's the bag? No, I know, but Nima over-exaggerated.
I know.
Seasoned traveler, I was like, that's too early, but I'll just let it slide.
You thought you found a friend. Take you out of this place. You can lend a hand.
Tuba ignored me.
Yeah. Roz, where are we going?
It's a great set.
Why does it say Miami behind you?
Because we're going to Miami. Policia looked at my passport photo and looked at me and said I look very cute in my passport photo, but I don't look like that. I said, I know because of my hair.
Thanks, Delta.
Hotel Musai, Puerto Vallarta.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Our Native American is attached to the Garza Blanca. So how do you feel right now with the coffee?
This is my first cup of coffee since we landed, and it's fabulous. It's a breve latte, and I am never gonna go coffee free. Coffee is my drug. Coffee, also because we just went upstairs and we had mezcal, and I needed coffee.
Okay, but what else happened?
We had ceviche, y aguachile, y camarón.
Camarón.
Camarón, sí, camarón.
Mariscos.
Mariscos, y tacos.
Aguachile.
I said aguachile. Boya rings.
We have to set up the scene. Okay, so we're moving this outside, and we are now going our first night
For dinner.
So we're keeping it cool and casual. We're kind of tired still. Cool, cute, and collected. So we'll see you guys in our first restaurant. Okay, bye.
Oh my god, that's so strong. 5 days of drinks in one shot.
Really?
Yeah. Cheers!
Oh, not. Oh my god, you see Zappa flakes in there. Oh wow. It's so funny. Fabulous.
Looks like baby. Nima, does it look like Yeye? See, it looks like Yeye. He admits it. People admit it when they walk on 2 feet.
No, what? They're marsupials.
Wait, what walks on 2 feet again?
Humanoids?
No,
Bears?
Lemur Mansion. What's it called, that show?
Oh, prairie dogs? Those prairie dog things?
Yeah, man.
We're taking a trolley back to, we went down near the shopping area, and we're taking a trolley back up to our hotel. I was flashy, y'all.
We're on a Universal tour ride.
We got a Universal tour ride.
So it looks like we got turned down service, and they like set up our TV. It was cookies. It's like, oh my god.
Darling.
Yes.
Yeah, we got cookies.